Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Mona Ismail and you're watching the evening bulletin on News and Images. Let's start with the top headlines. Prime Minister opens 51 megawatt Fenchurganj power plant on March 13th, says Parliamentary Standing Committee Chairman on Power. Government reshuffles administration. 4 gets new offices, 1 promoted. RAB captures boy for threatening Awami League lawmaker Fazle Noor Taposh in Chittagong. Pahari Chhatra Parishad blames army troops for helping Bengali settlers to carry out attack on them. And Israeli Prime Minister blamed for allegedly approving Dubai killing Britain Ireland to grill Israel's foreign minister. Our main story. With 136 megawatt electricity has already been added, another 316 megawatt electricity will soon be added to the national grid. Of this, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina will open a 51 megawatt power plant in Fenchurganj on March 13th. Muhammad Subid Ali Bhuiya, Chairman for the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Ministry of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources, told this at a press briefing on Monday. He also said that proposal for more 300 megawatt in government sector and 300 megawatt in non-government sector has already been approved.
Against some 5,500 megawatt of national demand, country's power production is roughly 3,700 megawatt per day. The crisis is so acute that the government has to suspend power supply in the city to provide uninterrupted power in the urban areas for irrigation. But the chairman for the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Ministry of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources gives some hope today. He assured reporters that the government is giving due importance to the sector. Here is what he said is government plan to produce more power.
120 এবং 60 136 মেগাওয়াট এই কয়েকদিনের মধ্যে যুক্ত হয়ে গেছে। আর সহসা যুক্ত হবে যেটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেটা হলো ফেঞ্চুগঞ্জে 51 মেগাওয়াট, এটা 13/3/10 এটা উদ্বোধন করা হবে। সিদ্ধিরগঞ্জ শিকলবাহা 136 আর সহসাই ইমিডিয়েটলি হইতে যাচ্ছে 316 মেগাওয়াট।
But the country also suffers from severe coal and gas crisis, which are the raw materials to produce power. Admitting the crisis, he said that the government was seriously considering the matter. To overcome the crisis, the government is thinking of using solar and wind power to generate electricity.
এই যে দেশে নবায়নযোগ্য শক্তির ব্যবহার বিদ্যুৎ উৎপাদন রিনিউয়েবল এনার্জি যেটা বলে সেটা বায়ু, সৌর, পানি বিদ্যুৎ, বায়োগ্যাস ইত্যাদি এগুলোর দিকে আমরা আগের থেকে বলে আসছি। আজকে দেখলাম সরকার খুব গুরুত্বের সহিত সেটা দেখছে। আপনাদেরকে আমি দুটো উদাহরণ দিলাম।
According to him, the success of the government would depend seriously on the success in generating electricity. Colonel Abdul Qadir Khan MP was also present at the press briefing. Abdullah Al Raihan, News and Images, Dhaka.
The Establishment Ministry today issued a notification that 4 government secretaries have been transferred and an additional secretary has been promoted to the rank of secretary in a reshuffle in the administration. Parliamentary Affairs Secretary Ashfaq Hamid has been transferred to the Ministry of Religion, while former Law and Justice Secretary Qazi Habibul Awal replaced Ashfaq Hamid. Science and Information and Communication Technology Secretary Abdul Awal Muzumdar has been made member of Land Reforms Board, and Religion Secretary Abdul Rob Hauladar has replaced Abul Awal Muzumdar. Rapid Action Battalion members have arrested a man from Khulshi residential area in Chittagong City early Monday on charge of threatening Sheikh Fazle Noor Taposh, an Awami League